To send money from Pakistan to Europe, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you have to choose a money transfer service, such as a bank, a money transfer company like Western Union or MoneyGram, or an online service like PayPal or TransferWise. Each service has its own fees and exchange rates, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have selected a service, you need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if you are transferring money directly to their bank account. You also need to provide your own identification and contact information. Next, you have to fund the transfer, which can be done using cash, a bank transfer, or a credit card, depending on the service you are using. The transfer service will then convert your Pakistani rupees to euros or the local currency of the recipient's country, using the current exchange rate. After that, the transfer service will send the money to the recipient, either directly to their bank account, or to a cash pickup location. The recipient can then collect the cash using their government-issued ID. It is crucial to keep the transaction reference number, as it can be used to track the status of the transfer. The recipient should also be provided with this number, so they can collect the cash or check the status of the transfer. Additionally, it is essential to be aware of the fees and exchange rates associated with the transfer, as they can affect the amount of money the recipient receives. You should also ensure that you are using a reputable and licensed transfer service to avoid any potential scams or issues. In terms of security, you should never send money to someone you do not know, and always use a secure internet connection when making online transfers. You should also keep your transaction details and passwords confidential, to prevent any unauthorized access to your account. In conclusion, sending money from Pakistan to Europe involves choosing a transfer service, gathering the necessary information, funding the transfer, and tracking the status of the transfer. By following these steps and being aware of the fees, exchange rates, and security considerations, you can safely and efficiently send money to your loved ones in Europe.